styling tip or advice, what would it be?
One styling tip or advice, what would it be? Listen to your stylist. They tend to know what's best, so just go with their recommendations, try it out, and then if it doesn't work, you can always try something different or do something different. But you know, when it comes to the health of your hair or whatever you're doing, I think it's always good just to take into consideration what your stylist is recommending for you. Next question.
What are your top 3 favorite Paul Mitchell styling products?
Seriously?
Yeah, just 3.
Just 3 out of
Just
the
3.
like 100 that we have, 100 plus I should say. Okay, but actually pretty easy answer. Sculpting foam, conditioning based foam. It's amazing, gives me a little bit of memory, lots of shine. It's awesome. Shine spray, Aopui Wild Ginger Shine Spray, because who doesn't need shine in their hair?
Right.
And my favorite, third favorite, would be Extra Body Finishing Spray, because it's workable, it gives me the hold that I want, but it's not gonna like stick into place. It's awesome.
A hair hack that saved your life as a hairstylist.
Hair hack for me is taking like a color tint brush and applying a little bit of product. That could be a hairspray, it could be a pomade, and just like calming down any flyaways that happen. You just like put a little bit of product, and if they had like say it was like a slick back ponytail, I can like take it and just apply a little bit, and it just gets it to lay down without like messing with it or putting a bunch of product where I don't need it. Hair hack.
That's great.
Tint brush, product, flyaways. Thermal protectant. Always a must. Any type of irons, smoothing iron, curling iron, a waver, a crimper, a thermal protectant is a must. Just so that heat damage, it's real, and if you want to have the longevity, you have to utilize it. I'm kind of going back and forth at random between 2 different sizes, one being a 1.25 and one being a 1 inch. And just so it has a little bit of variety in the finished style. Everything away from the face, like this side's going away from the face, this side's going away from the face. What tends to happen is that then they all lump together in one curl, which is beautiful, and I love it. However, that's just not the style we're going for today. So I want it to be kind of a mishmash of curls for sure.
When I'm not going for like, you know, everything to flow together.
Yeah.
I never thought of just, you know, using in different directions to kind of give it
different directions
texture.
Always. My good friend and our editorial director, Nugita, love him, but he's taught me so much, and it's kind of just like, yeah, alternate your directions so that it doesn't go in the same direction.